so much to be excited about. The fact that we're going to be racing on some of the best streets in the world, the fact that we're using new technology, and the fact that I'm working for such a massive organisation and an organisation that has been at the forefront of pioneering for many, many years under Richard Branson's expertise. Absolutely. I think that the people that we've got behind this project are some of the best in the world. I believe that I've got a very fast teammate, so he's going to be pushing me very, very hard as well. And I believe that us as a group, if we work at 100%, we can win races and hopefully win championships. Street racing is probably my biggest forte in racing. I've raced at Monaco for the last 2 years and won at Monaco for the last 2 years. We raced at Monaco in the first season of Formula E, so I hope to make it 3 in a row. I'm looking forward to seeing Richard on the sidelines and staying there as a fan, and I'm hoping that he doesn't jump into my car and hurt it. I don't have blonde enough hair, and I don't have a goatee, I'm afraid, so no, I can't at the moment. If I were to go for a road car, maybe a Lamborghini, as something quite flamboyant, and on the racetrack, who knows, it could be a Formula E. My racing role model is someone that I've worked with who went from a hero to a friend to a work colleague, is Michael Schumacher, and I wish him and his family all the best at such a difficult time. Superpower, I think I'd choose the ability of flight. My surname is Bird, so it'd be pretty special to have wings and fly. I'm looking forward to all of the events, to be honest. I think we've got such a magnificent calendar. However, I've got to say London is going to be fairly special for me. My home race in front of my family and friends, it's going to be pretty cool.